Hello everyone, today our topic is about sport. In this topic, we're going to learn about common sports, equipment, what you hold in your hand, athletics, something event, verb and their collocation in the context of sport, and the last one, people who do particular sports. Here, what is sport? According to dictionary, a sport a game, competition, or activity needed physical effort and skill that is played or done according to rules for enjoyment and as a job. According to the textbook, here are common sports. So let's hang gliding. This current sport, hang gliding means a current sport that fly through the air by hanging the aircraft without engine. Windsurfing. Windsurfing is a current sport that you sail across water by standing on board. Bowls. Bowl is a sport that a player rolls a ball on smooth grass. Darts. Dart is a sport that player throw the dart on a circular board. Rally. Rally is a kind of sport that rally the house. Snooker, pool, billiards. They are the they are the same meaning. This kind of sport is like two players hit the ball with different color. Especially this kind of sport is common in the US. Motor races. Motor races are a kind of sport that races extremely very fast. Equipment. What you hold in your hands. So what is equipment? Equipment is a set of tools needed for a particular activity. So here, golf club, snooker cue, archery ball, hockey stick, and fishing rod, badminton racket. This kind of equipment is a player hold in their hand. This called equipment. Athletics with some field events. So what is athletics? Athletics is the general name for a particular group of sports in which people compete, including running, jumping, and throwing. So by looking at the picture, you will see discus, javelin, high jump, long jump, pole vault. This kind of athletics is you have to make your body run, jump, or throw. So let's look at the something event. She is a good sprinter. He is a great long distance runner, jogging around the park every Saturday night for me. So here are field events. Verbs and their collocation in the context of sport. Collocation means a particular group of words that often go together or occur together. Here are the examples of verb and their collocation in the context of sport. The first sentence is our team was lost by 3 goals of points. The second sentence is she broke the Olympic record last year. The third one, he holds the record for the 100-meter breaststroke. The fourth one, Liverpool beat Hamburg 4-2 yesterday. The team had never been defeated. How many goals points have you scored this season? I think I will take up balls next spring and give up golf. So Here are the example of verb and their collocation in the context of sports. In the first sentence, you cannot use our gene broke battery go. You cannot use that like that. You have to use our gene won or lost battery go 3 part like this. Here are the last word. People who do particular sports. The word er can be used for many sports. For example, footballer, swimmer, and so on. Footballer means a person who play the football. Swimmer means a person who swim. And here, player is often necessary, e.g., football player, tennis player, and snooker player is often necessary. However, some names must be learned separately. For example, cyclist and jockey. Cyclist means a person who ride a bicycle. Jockeys means a person who ride a horse. So I also provide an exercise for you. Here are the exercise collocation. Fill the gaps with the suitable verbs. You have time 2 minutes to do it. And thank you.